You were fighting with Karanveer, you were fighting with Shrutika. He said ki she didn't do much.
What did he do? He also didn't do much.
You called her stupid.
I called her stupid because
You feel he'll win.
I think I personally feel he should win.
He was trying to
He was trying to.
mellow you down.
We all were trying to mellow each other down because we were all very. Do we ever know where life takes us?
What you're saying is he's gaslighting him.
Gaslighting is a very strong word. I think he lacks guts.
Hi Alice, I welcome you to the show and thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Your eviction from Big Boss has just happened and I personally think it was quite an emotional journey. I mean, on one hand, you were fighting with Karanveer, you were fighting with Shrutika. And on the other, you were making friends with Isha, you were making friends with Avinash.
Right.
Would you attribute the same title to this journey, emotional?
It was emotional. It was a roller coaster ride. Yes. 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 And it was a lot of fun also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like with my 4 people and then Bagaji 5, all of us over 5. So yeah, it was. I think I'm going to remember this for the rest of my life, and I'm going to cherish all those 50 days.
You think you should have been there for a longer period?
I could have been, yes.
So what went wrong?
I don't know. I honestly,
In hindsight, I mean,
in hindsight, I don't know. I think we should ask the makers what went wrong. They will know better.
because I'll just take one comment from Karanveer. He said ki she didn't do much. She just sat on a horse. She just
So
made
what did
some
he do?
parathas.
What did he do? Sitting on the fence and picking other people to fight his battles. That's what he did, according to me. If according to him, that's what I did, this is what he did, according to me. He also didn't do much.
You think that went against you because he has a huge fan following. So
He's popular. He's very popular. I don't know if that went against me or not, but yes, he is very, very, very senior and he's popular.
mhm. Let's talk about Shrutika.
Okay.
You called her stupid.
Hmm.
You said I'll ruin her happiness.
That was purely out of anger. I called her stupid because it was quite stupid. I used to adore her and her dialect and the way she spoke, and she thought that I was mocking her, which was very stupid. But let me also tell you, when Naira, her best friend, was evicted, I was the first person. She was sitting alone, and I didn't like the fact that she was sitting alone and she was crying. I was the first person to go to her and speak to her and get her out of that zone and give her that confidence, or if not confidence, motivate her, encourage her to just get out of that zone and just be in the game. So I did not ruin her happiness. I just gave her a warm hug and gave warmth.
Would you like to meet these two again?
Who?
Karanveer and
Karan, we know Shrutika. Yes, definitely, yes. After that, we spoke a lot and we had a different kind of bond.
Karanveer अगर party में भी मिल जाए, you won't go and speak to him.
I won't go. If he comes, I will say hello, but I won't go.
You met Kamar after coming out from the show.
Yes, the first thing I did was to meet him.
And how was the meeting? Tell us about it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Like, it was very emotional, and we didn't speak about Big Boss at first. At first, क्या इतनी ज़्यादा बात ही नहीं हुई about Big Boss. We were just so happy to see each other, and I went at his place. I met him, his mom, his dad, his brother, and just spent a lot of time there. I just felt all the love and all the warmth.
But there was a lot of, speculation when he said, no, Alice has not proposed marriage to me.
Alice?
I have also not proposed marriage to her. So what is this whole
So
commotion about? I
I
mean,
think it was.
is marriage in the offing? Is marriage not happening?
Yes, it is. Of course, it is, but not anytime soon. That so I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा there was a lot of misunderstanding that happened because what people thought, or maybe what Cover thought, was that I was saying that after getting out of Big Boss we are getting married, which is something that I never said. What I said was that he approached me that way. So yes, of course that is going to happen, but that's not going to happen anytime soon, and that's what he was trying to clarify. But it was all misunderstood, I think.
But this relationship is headed for marriage.
Of course, we've been very vocal about it. We've been very vocal about it from the word go.
Why I'm continuing to ask you this is because you broke down when Salman
Yeah, because I would.
Reeled you about Kamar Dhilan.
He didn't. Yeah, I did have an emotional moment because I was hearing about him after a very long time, and few words from this interview were picked up and were said to me. So I got very emotional about it, like any other human being. But then I collected myself and I was okay because I had a lot of trust in our relationship.
Did you have any doubts
No,
while coming out and when you met him?
no, absolutely not. I had a lot of trust in our relationship. I
Mhm.
have a lot of trust in our relationship, and same goes for him. Our relationship is a strong one, so there was no doubt as such. Like I don't know if you saw that clip or not, but I don't even know if it came out or not. But I said that he's someone who would never go back on this whole thing that I am in a relationship with him, and yada yada yada. So yeah, there was a lot of confidence.
Okay. So tell me, on the show, if I was to ask you who was the most cunning,
Most cunning,
Hmm.
Karan,
most abusive,
Rajat.
one person you think you were harsh on, and maybe you want to make amends when you meet.
One person I was harsh on, no one. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Kanwar says that these friendships which you have made, I was just reading one of his interviews, Isha and Avinash. You know, though he's not said it exactly this way, but what he's hinting is that ये show की friendships हैं, you never know where they are going
I am
and how
sure
far they are going.
I'm sure उसने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला होगा कि ये शो की फ्रेंडशिप आई एम श्योर बिकॉज ही नोज मी एज अ पर्सन सो आई
Or maybe what he's saying is it's too early
टू
to judge.
I I can guarantee you that he whatever he said, I don't know what he said, I don't know what interview or whatever you're talking about, but I'm sure that he it wasn't his meaning. It wasn't what he was meaning to say. So you have to have a conversation with him about it or about and like to read wherever he's written any of this. I can't comment on that.
What if Karanveer wins the show?
Good for him. I personally want Vivian to win.
Hmm. You feel he'll win.
I feel
Vivian will win.
no, I want him to win. I don't know who will win. I personally
आपको क्या लग रहा है हवा किस तरफ चल रही है? Because they say Vivian लाडला है and there's a lot of all
it's
these.
not just about Vivian Ladla. Vivian is also a very good person. Okay? Vivian is also very, very, very involved in the game. Vivian is also somebody who always will have the solution to all the problems of the house or the individuals in the house. So, and he will always fight his battle very gracefully. So, I personally feel he should win. So I don't know हवा किस तरफ है किस तरफ नहीं है.
अविनाश की दोस्ती आपकी काफ़ी I think that what his temperament is diametrically opposite yours. I mean,
Yeah.
you tend to lose your cool sometimes. You say certain things. Was that the bond? Was that the reason why the bond developed?
No, absolutely not. We
He corrected you on a few occasions and said, you calm down. You say it in a better way. He was trying to
He was trying to.
mellow you down.
We all were trying to mellow each other down because we were all very gullible
Hmm.
at some points.
Hmm.
And so when I was gullible, they tried to, manage. When he was gullible, we both tried to manage. And when Isha was gullible, we both tried to manage her. So it was just that.
Who was the most gullible, or rather, let's say, most innocent in this whole show?
I don't know.
Did you find anybody innocent?
Chum, I can say yes.
Hmm?
Chum.
Okay.
Yeah. I think she's a very nice person and she might also be innocent or naive.
Any particular moment you remember that you regret? There's a long series of frames where you're shown in Big Boss. Any particular moment you think you shouldn't have done this?
Nope.
None whatsoever.
No.
Okay. So where does life take you from here? What's next? What's the next plan?
Do we ever know where life takes us?
Plan?
To work, to do some good work. Now I don't know what that is, and yet to I just want to first unwind properly and then get to it.
I think we've spoken about Karanveer a little less. So I request you to say 5 lines on him.
Arya, you want me to say 5 lines on him like an essay or what?
Try.
You can't just tell me to say 5
Okay,
lines.
I give you a concession of 1. Make it 4.
Give me some more concession.
3.
You
Now,
ask.
now no less.
I'll tell you what. Let's crack a deal. You ask me some question about him and I will answer.
Hmm.
Like a rapid fire, you ask me, I will answer. And don't ask me to say 5 lines or 4 lines about him.
You said he, pitches his battles and make
Yes,
others fight.
definitely. Yeah.
Can you give me one solid incident?
Okay. All right. Digvijay.
Rathi.
Very, very recently, yes, Digvijay Rathi. So right now, what he is doing in the game is, at least till the time I was there,
Hmm.
he was constantly in Digvijay's ear, telling him what to do. Even after, even though Digvijay is still a time god. I don't know how to, yeah, still a time god. So he's just, he's just basically dictating Digvijay, and Digvijay cannot understand what Karan is doing. I think he should take a step back and try to see what Karan is doing. Karan is basically like,
What you're saying is he's gaslighting him.
no, gaslighting is a very strong word.
Hmm.
He's not gaslighting anybody. I don't think he's gaslighting anyone. Gaslighting is a very strong word. I wouldn't use that for him. So he's just basically like, if he doesn't like one person, he'll just use Digvijay to attack that person. He wouldn't directly attack that person. I think he lacks guts. 2 lines.
Something about Shilpa?
She's clever.
She's also a very strong contender at the
She's
moment.
strong, she's clever, and she's playing her game.
You think she can spring a surprise
Can.
by winning?
Can. I personally really want Vivian to win. I don't know about anybody else. But yeah, she can. She can because she's playing her game really well.
So if Karan is maneuvering
Digvijay.
Digvijay, is he maneuvering Vivian also? Because
Karan cannot maneuver.
Vivian is equally strong in terms of popularity.
Vivian is very strong and Vivian is very smart, and Vivian can handle anything that comes at him.
Being your friend, as he told you that he has seen through his game?
Yeah.
Karan's game.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for joining me for this lovely conversation.
Thank you for having me.